Hi guys, this little video on your final project. As you can see here, here's the standards we'll be covering for this project. You'll create a proposal for how to encourage healthier eating at your school, home, or friends. Your proposal will address a problem that you have identified and be addressed to an audience that might help you solve the problem. So here are the steps I want to see. I want you to follow the steps in each slide, add pics as stated, give one hyperlink per slide, and 2 to 3 cents response per question. So let's start. So first slide, what problem will you be addressing? Change. You may want to propose changes to the food that is available to your audience or ways of educating them to be consumers of healthier food. So a 2 to 3 cents response. I'm not going to put in a thesis recommendation or anything like that. Just give me 2 to 3 cents response. What your proposal is. Now, that's different from your justification. Your justification here, 2 to 3 cents, why you're choosing this. Okay. Why did you propose? Why did you propose the solution you came up with? 2 to 3 cents response. Add 3 pictures that support your answers. So if you're going to be talking about switching to apples, switching from Cheetos to apples, well, you would put in this picture. Next slide. Second slide, you're going to be taking a stance. Here, you're going to answer the following questions. Add 1 picture per question, 3 total. Make sure that the pictures represent your response. So let's look at this. First question, what is your proposal for encouraging healthy eating? Here's where you're going to get specific. Okay, the first slide, you were kind of general. This where you can get specific. Who's your audience? 2 to 3 cents response, who your audience is. So if you were to say, well, my audience is my family, it's one sentence. I chose them because da 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 da. However you want to explain it. I'm not trying to be too structured on this due to the fact that we're not seeing each other face to face right now. The third question, and has 2 parts. What might others say in response to your proposal? Who might agree and who might disagree with it? So let's say your proposal was switching out a vending machine from having Cheetos to now having apples. Well, what might others say in response to your proposals? Some might love it if they love apples, and those who hate apples might hate it. So you're going to identify who's going to agree with you and why will they be disagreeing. All right, so the third slide is the problem. Describe the problem specifically. So if your problem is Cheetos and apples, well, let's get a little bit more specific. It's you might describe the issue of uh, a lack of healthy options to that of a lot of chips wherever you go. So describe the problem specifically and explain why it potentially affects your audience. 2 to 3 cents response. Which causes seem to major problem contribute most significantly to the problem? What have other people said about the problem? So there you go. 2 to 3 cents response on that. And then finally, your solution. If your proposal were to be accepted, what can happen? So, number one, what do you suggest should be done? 2 to 3 cents response. Focus on how this will be accomplished. Tell me how it's going to be accomplished and what steps need to be taken for it to be accomplished. 4 to 6 cents, no need for picks. Now, as you saw in the first slide, let's back up. There need to be one hyperlink per slide. Go to the hyperlink tutorial and it'll show you right there. Well, thank you very much, folks. And that is it.